Here I have OPPO A38, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So first let's go to settings, then you should go to system section, additional settings, then go to backup and reset, select reset phone, and then erase all data, then tap erase data, and then once again, and after that device will be restarted in like couple of minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.